Greetings, automobile aficionados, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're setting our sights on the future, zeroing in on the Toyota CHR's evolution and the forthcoming 2024 model. If you're as passionate about the pulse of automotive innovation as we are, do show us some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. So buckle up and join us on this exciting journey as we delve into the world of Toyota CHR. The story of the Toyota CHR is as thrilling as the vehicle itself. Our journey begins in 2016 with the launch of a vehicle designed to disrupt the compact SUV market. Its bold, diamond-inspired design and nimble performance set a new standard, making the CHR a standout in its class from the outset. As the years rolled on, the CHR embraced the spirit of innovation. In 2018, Toyota introduced a hybrid powertrain, offering drivers an eco-friendly option without compromising on performance. By 2020, the CHR had further evolved, showcasing a refined design and enhanced features such as advanced safety technology and a more intuitive infotainment system. Throughout its evolution, the CHR has maintained a commitment to quality, durability, and reliability while always striving to push the boundaries of design and technology. This drive for continuous improvement has seen the CHR adapt to the changing demands of drivers worldwide. Changes have been both subtle and significant, but each step of the way they have been thoughtfully considered to enhance the driving experience. From its stylish exterior to its high-tech interior, every aspect of the CHR has been designed with the driver in mind. And now, this journey brings us to the threshold of 2024, where we're introduced to a model that embodies the essence of all these improvements, the Toyota CHR 2024. The year 2024 heralds a new chapter in the CHR's legacy. This year, Toyota introduces us to a model that is daringly different, yet reassuringly familiar. The CHR 2024 is a perfect blend of bold design and innovative technology. The dynamic silhouette of the CHR 2024 is an eye-catching statement of intent, showcasing Toyota's commitment to crafting vehicles that are as aesthetically pleasing as they are powerful. Under the bonnet, you'll find a powerhouse of an engine that offers a smooth yet thrilling ride, but it's not just about speed and power. The CHR 2024 is laden with state-of-the-art technology that enhances the driving experience. Think smart connectivity, state-of-the-art safety features, and an interior that is the epitome of comfort and luxury. What sets the CHR 2024 apart from its predecessors is its commitment to sustainability. This model introduces a more fuel-efficient engine, reducing its carbon footprint without compromising on performance. Indeed, the CHR 2024 is a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and excellence. The CHR 2024 is not just a car, it's a marvel of automotive innovation. An elegant fusion of technology and design, this vehicle pushes the boundaries of what one expects from Toyota. Let's start with technology. The Toyota CHR 2024 boasts an advanced infotainment system with a touch-responsive interface that keeps you connected and entertained on the go. Its integrated navigation system is a breeze to use, guiding you to your destination with ease, while its state-of-the-art safety features, including lane departure alert and adaptive cruise control, ensure you reach there safely. Performance-wise, the CHR 2024 impresses with a hybrid powertrain that balances power and efficiency beautifully. The new model features a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. This combination provides a seamless driving experience while also being eco-friendly. But what truly sets the CHR 2024 apart is its design. It's a bold departure from the norm, with a sleek, coupe-like silhouette, distinctive wheel arches, and a futuristic interior. The diamond-inspired design theme is carried throughout, from the exterior bodylines to the interior detailing, creating a sense of continuity and sophistication. In terms of comfort, the Toyota CHR 2024 excels. Its spacious cabin is adorned with high-quality materials and innovative features, such as heated seats and a panoramic sunroof, that enhance the overall driving experience. With the Toyota CHR 2024, the future of driving is not just around the corner, it's here. It's been a thrilling ride through the world of Toyota CHR, hasn't it? We've journeyed together, exploring the evolution and innovation that make the 2024 model a marvel. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found value in our excursion. Subscribe to keep up with our future adventures and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement fuels our journey into the automotive unknown. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and most importantly, stay on the move.